I've got the time to show my lover what it's all about.
To be quite honest, I wasn't very happy with this extractor hood, but I didn't have too much choice. It's one of the very few models that you can connect on the backside directly to the outside. But it's not the quietest. And it's very expensive, especially when you buy directly from their website, where you have to buy the assembly process with it. But they will not make the assembly built-in themselves. They will send you some contractor, and not everybody has an experience with this kind of model that you have to connect it directly to the outside. So after the local contractor came twice and didn't manage to build it in, I had to took the situation in my hands. I was hoping to be able to use the holes that the contractor drilled in, but they weren't right. They didn't fit the hood, so I have to drill some myself until I fix it. As you could see, it took me about 2 hours. One of the other reasons I can't recommend this hood, it's the filter. As you can well see, the filter, it's huge and it's not gonna fit into a dishwasher. And when you try to clean it on the outside, you will notice that it's very cutty and you can hurt your finger pretty easily on it. But it looks nice and it's doing the job, as you can see. But I wouldn't buy it again, and if I would have to buy it, then I wouldn't buy it directly from Miele. You can order it on Amazon and you will receive it in 24 hours, and you can find somebody in my hammer that is gonna make the assembly, will build it in about 2 hours maybe, and if not, you can build it yourself. It's gonna be anyway better than to wait 2 weeks for the Miele contractor so that they can't build it in. Actually, they've done such a worse job that I had to do the assembly for the wall box on the outside myself either. And this is what I'm going to show you next.